Welcome to the HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up a parental control on your child's Redmi Note 11 device. First, you need to log out of all Google accounts on the child's device. To do this, open Settings, scroll down, choose Accounts and Sync, choose Google account to remove and remove Google account. Choose OK, confirm your finger or password, screen lock pattern. Cool. After that, log in to the child's account. To do this, in the same menu, click Add Account, go to Accounts and Sync, click Add Account, choose Google. Wait a while. Then log in into child's account. But if the child knows the password from his own account, he will be able to bypass the blocking of Google Family Link, and therefore either you need to create an account for the child with a password that only you will know, or ask the child to change the password to one that he will not know but only you will know. So log in into child's account. Enter child's email and password. Cool. Scroll down, choose yes, I mean, I agree, scroll down and choose accept. Cool. Now, after you log in into child's account, you need to open Settings again, scroll down and choose Google. Then scroll down and choose Parental Controls. Choose Get Started, Child or Teenager, Next, Next. Select Account to supervise. And now log in into your parent's Google account. Enter your password and choose Next. Okay, to stop supervision, your account must have the same country settings. Okay. Disconnect from VPN if you connected. Sorry. Disconnect from any disconnect of any VPN and try to log in parental control. Parents' accounts again. So log in into parents' account. And choose Next. Scroll down. Enter child's password. And choose Agree. Wait a while. Try again. Agree. Wrong password. I'm sorry. Wrong password, I don't know why. Agree. Okay. Now choose Allow. And choose Next. Scroll down. Wait a while, parental controls are installing. Go back, scroll down, choose next. Scroll down and choose next again. Now choose skip. Review controls. No, go to home screen. Now in your device, in parent's device, install Family Link. Open and install. Open this application. Now scroll down, and choose Get Started. Choose Account to Supervise. Fine. Cool. Now we have successfully set up a parental control on the child's phone, and now you can block this device. You can block separate application. To do this, scroll down, choose View All Apps, and for example, I want to block LinkedIn. For example, find here LinkedIn application. LinkedIn, click on this icon and choose block. And cool, LinkedIn was successfully blocked, and that's all. That's really all. We have successfully set up a parental control on the Redmi Note 11 device. Thank you very much for watching. Like this video, write comments and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye.